All right, number 9, you're finding the missing link indicated here. Here's something very interesting about these numbers. Do you see here how this is congruent to this? That means this is the midpoint. Okay, same thing here. If this is congruent to this, F is also the midpoint. Ooh, that's very interesting. So that means this is the base and this is the mid segment. Mid segment. Okay, that means, okay, right, the long is equal to 2 times the middle, right? So the long, which is x plus 10, is equal to 2 parentheses x plus 2, right? Let's simplify. X plus 10 is equal to 2x plus 4, right? And then let's do some solving here. Minus x minus x. You get 10 is equal to x plus 4 minus 4 minus 4. You get x is equal to 6, right? That should make sense. So this 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 plus 10 is 16. That does make sense. Perfect here, right? Oh, notice this is also a midpoint, because you see congruent to midpoint because it creates 2 congruent sides. So here's the long is going to be 2 times the short, or the middle part. Okay, the long is x plus 3, and the short part, it is x minus 2. Okay, so let's simplify. On the right is 2x minus 4, because you distribute that 2 in front. We have x plus 3 on the left. Minus x to both sides, you get 3 is equal to x minus 4. Plus 4 to both sides, you will have x is equal to 7. Let's see if that makes sense. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 minus 2 is 5. That does work. All right. Ooh, these are also midpoints. Midpoint, midpoint. You see, congruent sides on both left and the right. So here we have again, the long is equal to 2 times the short. The long is x plus 2. 2 times the short, which is 2x minus 14. Let's simplify the right hand side. 2 times 2x is 4x. 2 times negative 14 is negative 28. Now we minus x to both sides. We have 2 is equal to 3x minus 28 plus 28 plus 28. This gets you 30 is equal to 3x. Ooh. Right, so let's divide by 3 to both sides now. This cancels on the right hand side, leaving you with an x. 30 divided by 3 is 10. There you go. That is how you solve for all these problems. These are all midpoints and mid segments. Okay, there we go. Oh, let's double check. They want us to find. So we put a 10 back here. 10 plus 2, it is 12. 10 times 2 is 20 minus 14, it is 6. All right, there you go. Those were the missing links. All right.